What if you could take your MXO oscilloscope with you anywhere you go? While the MXO3 series oscilloscope is compact enough to fit into your favorite handbag or travel case, you might not actually want to carry it around with you everywhere. With the Roden Schwartz Scope Studio software, enhance your oscilloscope experience and have an MXO series oscilloscope right on your PC. Scope Studio is a PC-based software tool which allows you to view, analyze, document, and share measurements while you're away from your oscilloscope. With equivalent user interface and programming capabilities, you might start forgetting you're even using a PC and think it's your scope. Easily save your waveforms, saved sessions, and instrument settings, and transfer them to the Scope Studio. Acquire your signal while in front of your oscilloscope and analyze later when you're working from your home office or your coworker needs the scope. Easily share files within your company with external partners, suppliers, or customers. Check out MXO oscilloscopes in your lab or from the comfort of your home office. See the difference.